you so good. You got a song that make you think about your ex. And you got a song that make you want to have fornication.
Come on.
And what you do is, when you go in school, your mind is not focused on schoolwork. It's focused on what? The weekend. Because you're already ready to do what that song is saying.
Come on.
Say it, because I've been there. Say with me.
Go ahead.
Secular music, I looked up and it says anything that's non-religious music. Bring it down to you. Say it with me. Secular music is what is non-religious music. Just because the song has the word God in there doesn't mean it's good. I've listened to a lot of secular music. All versions. Because you know you got Xfinity version of hip hop when your mom in the car, and you got the other version of hip hop when you get called by yourself.